Yeah, now we're preparing to enter. We are preparing to enter, guys. We are preparing to enter. My wife is tired. You're tired, baby. You were supposed to sleep. How can you stay the whole night without sleeping? She stayed the whole night. She didn't sleep. Now we're preparing to enter. From here, we are taking Emirates A380. It's a double-decker flight from Dubai. We are going to Milan, right? So we're entering, right? We're entering now. Today is the what date is today? Today is the first of June. Right? Yeah, we see all of us. These are the tickets. The boarding tickets. Yeah, boarding tickets and everything.
Give my tickets. Give my tickets.
No, it's okay. We're sitting together, so it's okay.
I want to help you look for the seat.
No need.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
All of us. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Including him.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hotel Echo Fox Delta. Very good. So two of you can go from that side, two from the other side.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So and just hotel only will be next
On
to
the
that.
side. All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Right.
No problem. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Bye. Right. So now we're entering. We're entering. Ish. You see now. Isn't it beautiful? This is beautiful. Now, beautiful. I've got the beautiful people here. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Okay, check the seat in it. It's seat number 56F, all right? So 56. So you need to go look for 56. Let's go, guys. We are now entering 56. I think it's on the other side. 67. No, we're supposed to go. I think it's that side. Let's come this side. 65. 56. Let me see. Okay. Let me ask. Yeah, I'm looking for 56.
It will be over here. Which letter?
We are 5.
Let me check.
Okay. Okay, all of us, guys.
So these 4 seats.
This 4 seats.
Plus the first one in the aisle seat there, yeah? 56.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're very
All right.
welcome.
Okay. So, okay, I can sit here. It's fine.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one.
Oh yeah, this one. Okay, let me just quickly prepare my things nicely. So meaning. Okay. So now, let me just put my bag nicely. Okay. So now here we're all inside. Alright, now here this is how it works. You actually have to, if you want to check the flight information, this is what you do, right? This is what you do. So I'm looking for, why is this? Okay, I'm looking for flight information. Right, flight information. So this one now shows you the map on how, so it's EK0091, but I'm looking for English. Where is English here? Why is this Arabic? Let me ask the guy. Right, so now everything is now back to English. Which means someone was sitting here who was actually, doing Western Arabic. So here you can actually see, press the full screen. So you see you have the full screen there. So you can actually see this is the flight. So it shows you where we are, right? So we are in Dubai. So it will go. Okay, these are just showing, so you can watch movies here, can do everything. So actually, if you want, you can actually, here there's also it shows you the map, right? So you can see that there's Dubai. So it shows you, it will leave Dubai, it will go like this, it will go like this. It's a double-decker flight, right? A380. It's going, it passes. So we're going to where? We're going to Milan in Italy, right? So we'll land in there. So the plane duration from here is about 7 hours. So we'll arrive in there at about in the evening. So that's where we are. So I press again. I want to quickly see the cameras, right? So these are the cameras. You can actually see at the back. See, shows you. You can see actually blah. Right? It's blah. Okay, now you can see. Now this is front, right? So if I press here, I will see the bottom, right? The bottom. Let's see in the bottom down, right? When I press here, right, I will see the one in front. You see now, there's the front. The camera. These cameras are actually in front of the aircraft, right? So if I come out of here, I press on back, then it tells you, shows you everything, right? So you can see the flight number, Dubai to Milan, okay? Dubai to Milan, you're able to see everything there, right? Then it tells you the aircraft type, whatsoever. So you can press here actually, and you can actually watch movies. Where's the movies? Discover Dubai, top attractions, or entertainment. So you press entertainment. Press there, entertainment. Now here you can watch live TV, you can watch soccer, you can do anything. There's all channels and TV. And now you want to watch movies, you can watch movies. So here you can choose any type of movies you want to watch. Let's say I love to watch, something like you can watch African, you can watch Arabic, you can watch Asian, Latin, action and thriller. See now, I'm here, right? I love this. So these are all movies you can watch, everything. So let's say, for instance, you want to watch this one, right? Run. I'm not sure what type of movie is this, but it will say, give you for midnight run, tells you who's playing, who's the starring, a director, and say press play, right? When I press on play, it will start playing, right? So it tells you, shows you everything. Then that's how it is, right? So anyway, they're doing some, right. So that's how it is. So guys, I will keep on posting, just to keep you guys updated. This is how the screen looks like and so forth. So people here are still coming. As you can see, people are still coming. This is the window. There probably will be someone sitting next to me on this chair and also on this chair as well, right? So we will keep on taking more videos so I can show you guys how it works, so forth, so you can see. All right, thank you.